Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, red color, green color, violet color, pink color, blue color, black color, yellow color, dark blue color. Let's learn alphabets A to Z and numbers counting 1 to 10. Alphabet A for almond. B for brush. C for coconut. D for door. E for earthquake. F for fish. F for forest. G for glass. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for notebook. O for ocean. P for potato. Q for queen. R for rest. S for students. T for teacher. U for university. V for volcano. W for widow. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zinc. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.